Hey, what's up? Welcome to this video. And first of all, congratulations for finishing this course, which is a great achievement. You're the one that pushed through where many others stopped. And I think that is the right mindset if you want to become a good developer. I know I haven't asked this a lot throughout the videos, but it would mean a lot to me if you can subscribe to the channel, because I will be updating this course and also make new videos about React and other technologies. I can also recommend you to hit the notification bell to get notified when a new video comes out. Depending on your level of coding before you started the course and how well you followed it, you might not feel very confident yet to build large React apps on your own. But I have good news for you, because I'm currently working on a course where we are going to build a real-world scalable React app using all the tools we used before. It's an e-commerce app that includes authentication, an exhaustive shopping flow, payments, blogs, real-time stories, and so much more. After finishing that course, you will have a good understanding of how to build high-quality React applications for real customers. It now comes with a huge 50% discount, which will last until the course gets finally released. After release, it will go on sale at a 20% discount rate for 2 weeks, and then after those 2 weeks, it will go back to the normal pricing. I think it's a great opportunity for you to master React. And if you'd like to see more free content about React, remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for sticking with me. It was a great journey, and as always, see you in the next one.